Hello guys, thank you for tuning in to my videos. And how is everybody doing today? I hope everybody has had a good day. So while I'm on my way from Walmart, I went to do something, and I have some time. I wanted to do this video where I'm headed back to my base. So what I wanted to talk to you guys is about the best times of the year when it's a good time to buy a new vehicle. When you're in the US, try as much as possible to take advantage of the holidays and some days of the week when you can get excellent deals. So I've done some few research. There is a website I was reading, it's called the Bank Red, which actually gives you some recommendation on what days and what months of the year you're supposed to go to a dealership to shop for a vehicle. So if you are out there thinking about buying a vehicle before the end of this year, then this video is good for you. But if you know anybody who might benefit today with this video, please do share with them, and make sure you subscribe to our video so that every time we do a video you get notified by so doing. Turn your notification on. So the best months to buy vehicle is starting from October, November, and December. If you wanna take advantage, those are the best ones. And in November, because of the Thanksgiving, especially in the US, that's when a lot of sales, you can get very, very huge discounts. So if you walk to a dealership during that time, you're likely to get very good price for your vehicle. Also in October and December, before Christmas, that's when the most companies close their inventory. So during that time you can go check it out and see what discounts they have. There are also certain times when they do inventory in quarters, which means the companies, they need to get rid of the old inventory. So if you are interested in buying, let's say for example, Honda or Toyota, at the end of the year, that's when they are going to get rid. So don't wait and buy it in the middle of the year, because everybody needs that particular vehicle. When new models come, the old models, they try to get rid of them so they can get space for the new inventory. So that's the time you can take advantage, go check the vehicles out, and probably might be lucky to get huge discounts. Okay, let's come back to the days of the week when you are likely to get good discounts and when you are likely to get attended well by the salespeople at the dealership. Mondays are usually the best days. You can go to a dealership and get the dealership is not crowded. This is because during those times everybody's at work, so they have enjoyed the weekend and everybody is going to work now until probably Friday. So most customers, that's when they go to work. But weekends, it's very crowded. You go there, you are told to wait online, and you are not likely to get all the information you want because there are a lot of people. But when you go and they see you the only one around, you sit with your salesperson, you try to evaluate your needs, they show you the vehicle, you test drive the vehicle, and you have a lot of time to negotiate and ask all the questions you need before you decide on which vehicle to buy. So Mondays are better days, and also Wednesdays are better days. Now there are certain things which you need to do some research before you can even decide to go to a dealership. The first tip is to know what you want. If you have a vehicle in mind, do enough research. See if from the previous months, if there have been any recalls. Because a lot of vehicles you buy and then all of a sudden they start telling you there's a recall, something wasn't fixed properly or installed properly, so you need to take it back to the dealer to fix it. You don't want to buy a new vehicle and then start thinking about taking it back when it is recalled. So do your research and find which models which don't get a lot of recalls. And since you decide what you want, work on your budget. Make sure you get a vehicle or decide to buy a vehicle which you can afford. For example, if you are paying a mortgage and you have some other bills to pay, you are paying your student loan, don't go in for the big, I call them big guns. Don't go in for big machines which you can't afford. You know, when you walk to a dealership, the salespeople might trick you and try to show you new models of vehicles, latest models, and they start to tell you you can be enticed and enter into a contract which you cannot commit to. So take your time, evaluate your needs, look at your budget, if you are going to be able to afford that kind of vehicle. And this is a good time before you walk to a dealership. You need to talk to lenders, talk to a lot of banks, let them check if you qualify and how much money do you qualify before you go to decide to look for a vehicle. And also weigh in the insurance. If you are going to buy a particular vehicle, think about the insurance. You are going to think about how much you are going to pay for the insurance. The best thing you can do, call your insurance agent before you even buy the vehicle. give them the year, model, and vehicle VIN number. They can put it in the system and give you a quote, and then you decide how much are you going to spend for monthly premiums for that particular vehicle. If it's too expensive, then you can adjust your budget or opt for a different vehicle, because you don't want to buy a very expensive vehicle and then the insurance becomes too expensive. For example, the Mercedes, the BMWs, the Lexus. I mean, it might be very nice driving it, very smooth ride, but the insurance, when it comes to insurance, you have to pay a lot of money, because if it's involved in an accident and the vehicle is totaled, the insurance company is gonna pay out a lot of money for the claim you file. So that's the way it works. But the thing is to do your due diligence, and if you know your credit is bad, you don't just walk to a dealership. They will run your credit, and then you'll be frustrated, and the lenders will not be able to give you that kind of loan. So if you know your credit is bad, first of all, work on your credit. How do you work on your credit? By paying bills on time. If you have electrical bill, if you have a mortgage to pay on time. If you have some credit cards, pay them on time, and start working from there. So when you feel like you are comfortable, then you need to walk to a dealership, and then the dealer should be able to check your credit and see if you qualify for a new vehicle. I know it's the end of the year, so if you can watch this video and feel that this is something which can help you, please share this video to as many people as possible, and let me know what you think below this video, and let me know if this video is helpful. So that's it for right now, guys. Enjoy your evening, and I hope I will see you in the next video.